What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today I thought I'd do a little video and introduce you to my other two E36s. So first we're going to do a little walk around of the turbo one. Pretty much there. I've got to connect up the boost controller and get it mapped. That's it really. Took me a year to build it, and then I just lost the love for it. So it's just sat in the garage doing nothing pretty much, which is a complete waste because I spent quite a lot of money getting it to the stage it's at. So yeah, here it is. So it's a Boston green coupe. It was a 318 IS to start with. When I bought it, it had 323 in it. Drove it around like that for probably about a year. I always wanted to do a turbo build, and I don't know, like the exchange rate or something happened, changed, and the K64 kits from Poland, I just went on I think at eBay one day and it was like 2,800 quid for the kit. So yeah, I pulled the trigger. So yeah, it's now M52 328 M50 manifold. It's got a K64 exhaust manifold. My friend Aaron Grantham made the rest of the exhaust and the downpipe. It's all TIG welded. I think it's 3 inch from the turbo all the way back. It's got a big 200 SX radiator in it, twin fans, big old intercooler. That's a Chinese GT35 81, I think it is. Turbo Smart wastegate, I think it's 45mm, something like that. We made all the intercooler pipes, it's all custom made. Again, water pump was all new, had all new decompression plate, ACL bearings in the bottom, all rebuilt. It's on my friend's drift car map on it, so it runs and drives, but I can't boot it because I think the map on it's a 550 brake and this one's on standard rods, so they're just, well, they exit the lock, won't they? So yeah, a little walk around it. The car's lovely. It's got a little bit of rust on the arches, that's it. It's on the style 49s at the moment, they're not staying. It's got 330 brakes on the front, I think they're 325mm. It's got you can't see them, but it's got the 320D rear brakes. Yeah, it's quite a nice brake setup, works well. It's got the half cloth interior for the shite. Yeah. So I'll start it up for you. Nice gnarly steering wheel. Alright, let me connect the battery. Alright, battery now connected. So yeah, it's on a Nardi deep corn, half leather. Everything runs through. So it's got a ECU master, EMU black, all connected up to the tablet, so it's all live. Right, oh, mate, I can't wait to get this done. It's going to be absolutely sick. But yeah, at the moment, obviously, as you can see, it is looking a bit sorry for itself. Tiny bit of bubbling on the driver's rear arch. Again, boot full of shit. We've got to make a downturn for the exhaust, but then again round the back it's pretty nice. Got an LTW spoiler for it. Getting a little bit of rust on this arch, but nothing serious. Roof's good, it's a slick top. Yeah, so that is the turboed one. watching, mate. This thing sounds immense. Yeah, cannot wait to get this done. So what I do need to do to it is connect up the boost controller. Yeah, I'll turn it off, it's fucking loud. Yeah, all I need to do is connect up the boost controller and then take it to get mapped. So yeah, it's been sat in the garage doing nothing for about, right, it must be under a year actually, because it's still MOT'd. I think it was MOT'd at Christmas. So yeah, it's been sat in the garage for a while anyway. But yeah, that's the Turbo 36. So that will be coming to the channel soon. I'm gonna build the saloon, which I'll show you next. Or I might show you first, I don't know, it depends which way I put the videos around. But yeah, saloons first, because I've got a couple of track days coming up, and then I am straight on this because I want this done for next summer. Alright, I'll show you the saloon. Just one more little blip, like this thing sounds sick. Yeah, boy. Right, while I'm under here, I thought I might as well make a video and add it in, because all helps, doesn't it? So the reason I'm under the coupe is this has got, it's got a 338 open diff in it. Obviously it was alright when it was on the 325, but that is not going to take 400 brake, which is the goal for the turbo swap. So we'll try and find an LSD for this, but for now the 338 is coming out of this and it's going in that, because I cannot handle the diff that's in it. And I'll go away to Spain on Sunday and I'm back next Saturday, and on the Sunday I'm at a German festival at Silverstone and I've booked some track time, so I'm going to be taking that out. So yeah, the 444 is not going to be any good, and I've got to get some sort of diff put in it this week. I have got diffs down here. So that is a 338, but that's welded. That's a 293, that's welded, and that is a 338 for a compact, so that's no good either. So because I don't want to put a welded diff into that, because they're just horrible. Good fun if you're doing drifting, but horrible for everything else. So yeah, the best thing to do is take the diff out of the coupe and get it in the touring. So yeah, I'll show you how the diffs come out. So you just got to unbolt the prop. You've got a bolt here, and you've got 2 bolts up here. Undo the anti-roll bar, drop that down, and then yeah, 3 bolts, undo the drive shaft. Hopefully everything's going to be all right, but we'll see. I'm going to give everything a good soak in duck oil, and yeah, wish me luck. Right, got both diffs out. Bit of more of a nightmare to get it out of the coupe because everything's a bit rusty under there, but there's a 333, a 338, sorry, and there is the 444 out of the touring. So just that has got to go in there now, and that would be good for a bit of dailying and the track day at Silverstone. Right, diffs all swapped in the touring, so that's now running the 338 open. Much better for the road. It's not revving its tits off all the time. 338 is not a bad ratio for the road. 70 is about 3,200, something like that. So yeah, not bad at all. That'll do me for what I want. Like the roads to work, all B roads. I'm not going on the motorway or anything. So yeah, all good. So that is pretty much done now. Just a gear stick selector to swap. I'm just waiting for a bush to come, which I'm going to collect Friday from my mate Steve. Yeah, so now I will show you around the saloon. So this is it. It's just it was a 320 saloon. It's got a 328 swap. I didn't do it. It's been done pretty nicely. Fucking hell, I forgot that thing danced out. Yeah, so it's been done pretty nicely. It's just a standard 328 at the moment. Pink injectors. It's got the ZF gearbox. That's about it really, I think. I think this one's been mapped. So it's on HSD coilovers. It's got 10k springs on it, so perfect for track. Just that inlet snap there. I'll have to have a look at that. Looks like there's got an inlet manifold leak, so that'll be getting an M50 anyway, so it's not a problem. It's a really rare colour, Cordoba metallic. Shame really, because I'm painting it white, so I'm going to do a Super Touring replica with it. So for now, it's going to stay with a 328 in it. Going to put an M50 manifold on it, get a nice map on it. I've got 330 brakes for the front with E36 M3 discs and 320 brakes for the rear. I'm going to put a stiffer spring in the back because it's quite soft. I think it's an 8k spring in the back. That's quite nice spec, but I don't know what the actual mileage on the car is. The engine has apparently done 69,000. So, right, yeah, I pressed the stop record button then. I was chattering away and realised I wasn't recording. So yeah, 69,000 on the engine. I did a compression check. It's got 210 psi across all 6 cylinders. So proper healthy engine. I've got, it's on the contours at the moment. They're not going to be staying on it. I've got some track wheels. They're style 66 with Accelera 651 semi-slick tyres. Never used them before, but they were like 70 quid each. So yeah, I went for that. The reason I bought this shell was because, again, it's rust free. The arches, it's obviously had surface rust at some point, and you know, someone's wire wheeled it back and then just touched it up with some primer or something. It's the same the other side. Yeah, I'll just show you. But yeah, I mean, there's nothing there at all. Underneath mint. Now down the sides of it is actually really straight. It's got a couple of dents. It's got this wing dented up. Down this side, again, all good. Not really any dents. Now the story of this car was it was parked up 10 years in a garage. I think might have some truth to it, because the bonnet is absolutely fucked. Dents all over it, and then I don't know if I can get it on camera. Yeah, you can just see it. Roof has got loads of dents in it, so it sort of tallies up. Apparently it was parked in a garage, had a load of stuff on top of it. So yeah, but rust free shell, how hard is it to find a rust free 36 nowadays? So anyway, yeah, what's happening with it? I'm doing a fiberglass bonnet. I've got some wings off my compact, which are mint. I'm going to do a carbon roof on it, and then fiberglass tailgate. Interior wise, I've already got my bucket seats and harnesses. Rear seats are coming out. I'll take the rear door cards out. I'm gonna put the track day like flat perspex, whatever you call it, door trims in it. leaving the carpet in it. The back, like I said, rear seats are going to come out of it, but I'm going to make like a lot plywood floor, wrap that in some nice material. Like I'll be driving it to and from track, so I don't want it to be horrendous. So yeah, that's why carpet staying, bucket seats in, put lightweight panels, carbon roof, respraying white. I did want to do the Fina Steve sofa replica, but I've seen someone else is doing one online, so I'm gonna have a look and see what other yeah, touring cars liveries there are about. Quite like a Castrol one, but again, someone else has already got it. I might do, I don't know, I'm gonna have a look. There's a Coca-Cola one from Japan that's pretty cool. Yeah, the car is going Alpine white. Brakes are being done. Engine is going to get breathed on a little bit. I do want a S54 swap this in the end. I have got a supercharged M3 that I want to be putting up for sale. I had it up for sale once, but just got messed about so much, so it's going to go up for sale one more time. If it doesn't sell, I'm going to sell the supercharger, I'm going to sell the rolling shell, and I'm going to keep the S54 for this. It's all been rebuilt and that about 8,000 miles ago, so engine's super healthy. But yeah, I don't know. For now though, and probably for next year, it's just going to get 2.8 M50 manifold. Going to do an exhaust on it and a proper map, sort of like on a dyno. See if I can get 230 horsepower out of it. Like I say, with the lighter panels and all that, it should make for a pretty spicy track car. Suspension and brakes are going to be good anyway, so it should be pretty good. I've actually got a track day booked in November, so for that track day I'm just going to put the brakes, the semi-slicks, bucket seats and harnesses, and I'm going to do a proper geometry track spec geo on it. Like front needs to go a little bit lower. Yeah, I need to get the accelerators on it and then sort out where the ride height's going to go, and then yeah, it'll be November, it'll be going around Goodwood. Oh, it's got 293 welded diff in this as well, so that is coming out. I don't know what I'm going to put in it. Probably the 338 welded. Welded diffs aren't ideal for track days, but they're fucking good fun. I run my compact with a 338 welded in it for the last 15 track days. Does make it understeer a bit when you're pushing on, but you know, I ain't the fastest man in the world and I'm out there to have fun. I've never done track times or anything like that. That don't bother me. I'm just out there having fun. I might start doing a couple of track times, I don't know, see how quick I am, but yeah, so that is it for now. Saturday I will be starting doing stuff on this, but I go away on Sunday, so it might be a short video up Saturday. Fucking size of that wasp, you can't see it. Fucking size of that bastard, where is it? It looks evil, that one. Yeah, anyway, sorry, Saturday I'll be doing a few bits on it. I'm waiting for the discs to turn up for the brakes. I have got white line anti-roll bars inside, so they'll be going on it. Try and get my other wheels, and so I can get them on it, because I think they're 235 40/17s. It's got quite a chunky tyre on it. They're on style 66s, so yeah, I'll get them wheels on it, set up the suspension where I need to go. Arches need to be rolled. Like I say, because I'm painting it, I'm just going to do the jack handle trick, get it out, get them as wide as I can so I can get it as low as I can. Yeah, that'll be it for now. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. I will see you in the next one. Peace.